Veganism involves following a vegan diet, which is a diet that includes no animal products of any kind. It can extend to ethical veganism, which avoids or boycotts all products and activities whose production or undertaking is perceived to exploit animals, such as leather, silk, fur, wool, and cosmetics that have been tested on animals, as well as blood sports such as bullfighting and fox hunting. Kadie Karen Diekmeyer is one of the famous people in vegan society. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. Kadie Karen Diekmeyer, who is also known as That Vegan Teacher, was born in September 24, 1964. She is a Canadian animal rights activist, internet celebrity, former educator, and singer-songwriter mainly known for promoting veganism. Before she started her online career, Diekmeyer was a nurse and later an ESL teacher, but eventually left the latter job at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. In 1995, Diekmeyer composed the nationalistic English-French folk song Imagine a Country for performing at the Unity Rally at the Place du Canada. She spoke of her anxiety before her public performance, which she had never done before, and got help from her friends and relatives to write the French lyrics. Cheryl Kernacchia of the Montreal Gazette called her one of the dozens of do-it-yourself artists making a place for themselves in Montreal. As of 1999, Diekmeyer had written 47 songs, mainly about life and women's empowerment. Diekmeyer is known for her TikTok and YouTube career of promoting veganism. She went viral on TikTok for a song, Eating Animals is Wrong, McDonald's, in July 2020. Rachel Kiley of The Daily Dot characterizes some of Diekmeyer's content as racist and homophobic, including repurposing the slogan of I Can't Breathe for a song about the process of killing animals and arguing that coming out as an LGBT member is a selfish act as opposed to doing so as vegan. Diekmeyer has drawn criticism for comparing the animal agriculture industry to the Holocaust. In September 2020, she was criticized for saying she would no longer sign her organ donor card, not wanting to donate her organs to meat eaters after she dies. In the month, the video received more than 750,000 views on TikTok and over 100,000 on Twitter. In March 2021, she made a YouTube video, titled Are You Racist?, in which she spelled out the word nigger and encouraged people to ban cruelty instead of words. Another controversy arose in result of Diekmeyer's comment on a 2021 TikTok video by gaming YouTuber Tommy Innit, where he talked about his YouTube play button. Using TikTok's stitch function, she responded, Tommy, the nice vegan girls don't want to see your buttons, but if you want them to play with your buttons, you're going to have to show them your fruits and your vegetables, while taking out a cucumber, pear, and apple. This sexual joke enraged people online, owing to Tommy Innit's age, then 16. Later that year, she was IP banned from TikTok for breaching community guidelines, though the exact cause was unknown. Diekmeyer posted a video on her YouTube page, promising to not give up on her platform. She has made more TikTok accounts but ended up with most of them being banned. Diekmeyer is bisexual. Despite her Catholic upbringing, she later denounced the Church and Christianity in general, becoming an atheist with some sorts of pantheistic worldviews. Additionally, on her YouTube channel, she has spoke against religious fanaticism and lambasted other religions, such as Islam and Judaism, for their doctrines she considered to be barbaric but has praised their cultures. In her opinion, people should change their religion, if possible, every day, and do not stick to one religion only. She believes science has proven the Bible to be mere fairy tales, and sees religion as a tool to control the society that only leads people to wars than peace. In her opinion, anyone can be morally good without religion. She is a Unitarian Universalist. Diekmeyer speaks English and French. A vegan since June 27, 2016, she condemns vegaphobia. Her open letter, Dog Persuaded Them to Give Up Meat, Censuring Cruelty to Animals, was published in the Montreal Gazette in 2004. Diekmeyer has a dog named Bella, who she adopted at 10 months old and has been vegan since August 2017. In one of her open letter, Diekmeyer said, "With all the talk about how animals should be treated lately, my kids and I took a long look at our dog and decided not to eat any more meat. Here's an idea for a new law. Before pet owners are allowed to eat cows, pigs, chickens, lambs, or fish, they should first have to kill and eat an animal. In the scheme of things, what makes one animal more worthy of a life of love and safety than other?" Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.